Okay guys, I had an eventful Sunday. I was on the interstate in Baton Rouge and saw white smoke coming out from behind my truck. I figured it was coolant or something that had busted, a hose busted. Managed to get to the Target parking lot. Went to see my parents, had a nice little visit with a friend's car. Now I'm back to change this on the 2015 F150 with the 5.0. So the problem was under here, this T connection right here, Ford OEM part, right underneath it where these three hoses come together is another one, and it was just blown out the top right here. So to buy the whole assembly, you can get it, I think, AutoZone or Advanced. It's about 150 bucks. But I went online and looked what else Advanced had, because they were closer, and they happened to have a 3/4 inch T that I'm willing to bet is better plastic than Ford OEM parts. Got that. Got a couple of hose clamps. I always ride around with some tools. So I was set. After getting those hose clamps cut away, which you go right here in these little notches with some wire cutters I used, and just eat away at them, and they loosen up. You don't need to get the $100 Ford part tool to get them off. So once I got those off, the T was so brittle. Let's see if I can see it under my truck. Can't really see much of it, but it just came apart. Just pieces of it everywhere. There's one piece. Just completely broke apart, mostly with my hands. I pulled that off of there. Once you get it off inside, there's some plastic. You got to bust that up with some channel locks or pliers, but make sure you clamp off the hoses like I did right there, so that you don't get pieces of plastic back in your cooling system. So anyway, I'm gonna get this T on, see how long it takes me, and I'll get back. All right, we're about 10 minutes later. Got my trusty 5-gallon bucket so I can get up under this hood. There it is, all put together for $4 for the T, about $5 worth of hose clamps, because of course I had to get a multi-pack because they didn't just have 3/4 hose clamps. And I got some little clamp tools to pinch off the hoses. Now she's back together. I'm gonna top off the fluids, see if it runs. All right, warmed up, pressured up. No leaks. I think I did it.